Hi friends, this video shows how to bring back the back button and fix back button missing issue. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. See, back button is not visible here. That is because right now I am using full screen display or gesture navigation. So I will show you how we can enable buttons here. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go down, go to gestures, tap here, then go to navigation mode. Here you can see two options, gesture navigation, 3 button navigation. Right now I am using gesture navigation. That is the reason 3 buttons are not visible here. Let me enable 3 button navigation. Tap here, done. See, now we can see 3 buttons here. So this is a back button. See, this way we can bring back this missing back button, and this way we can enable 3 button navigation. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.